A small bathroom remodel can go wrong fast when every inch matters. Before you buy anything, use these practical fixes to create more storage, reduce clutter, and make the room easier to use. Start with the vanity because bulky cabinets can make a small bathroom feel tighter. A floating vanity keeps useful drawer storage while exposing more floor underneath. That open space makes the room feel lighter and also makes cleaning easier. A larger mirror reflects more light and makes the bathroom feel more open. Choose one that nearly matches the width of your vanity, but keep enough room for lighting and nearby fixtures. Replace a heavy shower curtain with clear glass when the budget allows. It keeps the sightline open and helps the bathroom feel less divided. Add a recessed wall niche so shampoo and soap stay off the floor and out of the way. Use the height of the room instead of filling the floor. A slim storage tower or tall wall shelves can hold towels, baskets, and daily supplies while keeping the bathroom easier to move through. Keep the color palette light and simple. Soft white, pale gray, and natural would reflect more light and reduce visual clutter. Add only a few small accents so the bathroom stays warm without feeling crowded. The finished bathroom still has the same small footprint, but every choice makes it easier to use. For more practical small bathroom remodel tips, visit impactdriverdrill.com using the link in the description.